YouTube! So before I start this video, I just want to say this is not promotional or anything. This is just to simply help y'all find a great screen recorder that can help you do whatever you need it for, regardless if it's, personal reasons, YouTube, whatever you need it for. So I'm just going to give you like a tutorial type of thing and just show you around, and if it's for you, great. If not, that's alright. You can find one that you like. I personally love this, and I will show you exactly why I love this. So, for one, right here, it shows how long you've been recording for, how many megabytes it takes it from your computer, pause, stop, or cancel. So you can cancel the recording, you can stop the recording, or you can pause it. Okay, and now next, here's mode. So screen, you can show your whole screen like you can see here. Next, it will be area. So it will give you a drop down menu to rectangle, which you can see here, and it will give you the area like so. You can see exactly where I want you to see. Window, and it'll give you the window that I want you to see. And last but not least, it'll give a pointer so you can watch my cursor. Next will be frame. So you can record that certain frame. It'll give you the option to record it. Just click record and then stop, cancel. It gives you the same amount of options as over here, and so on. So audio, output audio basically is where if you want somebody to hear the sound from your computer, this is what it's for. Microphone, obviously, it is so people can hear you talk like I'm using it right now. Now, point. So, you will not be able to see this if you have it off like that. Okay, so you will have two options. To highlight your cursor as a, say, pointer, or show click effects. And I'll show you what both do. So for highlight, as you can see, it highlights my cursor so you guys can watch it go everywhere. So you can change the color like so, and you can always turn it off, and then show click effects. So for me, red and blue. So if I left click, you guys will see a red. If I click right, you guys will see blue. Of course, you can always change the colors if you don't like the default colors. That is perfectly fine. Next is your camera. So for one, choose a camera that you got. You can always change where it is, like so. You can change the size. You can change the opacity, which means you can change how bright or dim you want it to be. Horizontal, meaning you can move it around. And outline, it just is there. As you can see it on my camera, it just shows the exact color around that area. Next, watermark. So what you do is turn it on if you have a certain watermark you like to put on your videos. So you upload the video that you want into here, and you can move it around. For me, it's their ScreenBits watermark, and you can adjust the size, the opacity, horizontal margin, vertical margin, as I've said before. It's to move it around, and all your videos will appear here. It would automatically put the date that you put it on, and you can always drag your videos onto your home screen like that, and it'll show up. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video and want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if it helped you. Let me know if you like it. Again, you can find it on Steam. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see y'all later. Peace out, YouTube.